Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to capitalize each word in a sentence using Microsoft Word. And the first technique we'll try out is the Replace All dialog box. So here I've got just kind of that standard quick brown fox sentence inside of Word. And I'm going to hold down the Control key and push F to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. Now, we can click on More here, and we can match case and use wildcards and all that kind of stuff, but there's nothing really to match everything that's a capital with everything that's not and replace it. So I'm going to close out of here. Instead, let's highlight the entire sentence, go up to the Home tab, and here underneath Font, we've got this cool little button for changing case. And we can put it in sentence case, which it is, which means just the first letter of the sentence is capitalized. We can put it all to lowercase, all uppercase, or we can capitalize each word. So let's click that. And there you go. Each word has the first letter capitalized, like the title of a book. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to capitalize the first letter of each word. I'm Josiah Ray.